Where's the worst of the weather right now?
Well, this just off the printer, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for residents of west central Illinois. So this would be north of St. Louis, Adams County, Brown County here in west central Illinois. If you live in Golden, Buckhorn, Mount Sterling, these thunderstorms are headed toward you, and they're moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. And these thunderstorms, which include the ones just west of St. Louis, are intensifying here by the minute. So there'll be more warnings where this came from. And Interstate 44 near mile marker 80. A severe thunderstorm is headed there in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So it's right here in the heartland as we focus in here on our other source.
Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently in your area, 68 degrees with a thunderstorm. For your area. Extended forecast.